Hello everyone. In this tutorial we're going to explore both applications of the Whizk platform. The first one being Whizk Workspace. This is where you can learn and explore topics using the Gemini AI, and the second one being Whizk Speakeasy. This is where you can have a conversation with the Gemini AI. Let's dive in and explore how they work. First up, let's take a look at Whizk Workspace. The workspace is designed to help users learn and explore topics in a guided and interactive way. When you first enter the workspace, you'll see a search bar that allows you to search for specific modules or tasks. Below that, there are several modules listed. Each module represents a different topic or subject area, and each module contains a number of tasks. These tasks are designed to help you learn about the topic by asking questions and getting feedback from the Gemini AI. Some tasks may also contain videos or other multimedia resources to help you learn more effectively. To begin learning, simply select the module that interests you. The selected module will be expanded, and you can now see all the tasks associated with that module. To see the full description of a task, simply click on the task itself. If you click on the title of the module again, it will collapse the list of tasks. Once you've selected a task, you'll see a few things happen. First, the task's curated prompt will appear in the curated prompt section. This is a question or statement that's designed to help you learn more about the topic. It's also a good place to start when asking questions about the topic. Next, the Your Turn section will become active. This is where you'll type or speak your question to Gemini. Finally, the Ask Gemini button will become enabled. When you click on it, Gemini will process your question and generate a response based on the information in its training data. If the task has an associated video, a Discover More, Watch Video button will appear. Clicking it will play the video within the workspace. The video is likely related to the topic of the task, so it is a great resource for further learning. Once you've received Gemini's response, you can do a few things with it. You can read it, stop any ongoing text-to-speech, copy it to your clipboard, print it to your printer, or clear it if you want to start over. So what are the benefits of using Whizk Workspace? Well, first, it offers a structured path to learning. The content is organized into modules and tasks, making it easy to follow along and make progress. Second, it provides guided inquiry. The curated prompts can help you ask better questions and get more relevant answers from the AI. Third, it integrates multimedia learning. The platform allows you to easily access related videos, enhancing your understanding of topics. Fourth, it offers contextual AI assistance. Since each task has a specific context, you can ask follow-up questions and get more detailed answers. And fifth, it provides efficient content access. The platform caches modules and tasks locally, so you don't have to wait for them to load. Now let's move on to Whizk Speakeasy. Speakeasy is a feature that allows you to talk to the Gemini AI. You can use it to get quick answers to questions, or to have a more conversational interaction with the AI in the Speakeasy. You can choose the length of the response from brief to detailed. You can also use your voice to interact with the AI. Simply click the Speak button and start talking. The AI will listen and then respond.
Yes.
You can also use the text area to type your questions. In either case, you'll get a response from the AI. Once you've received a response, you can read it aloud by clicking Auto Read. Stop any ongoing text-to-speech by clicking Stop Reading. Copy the response to your clipboard by clicking Copy. Print the response by clicking Print Response, or clear the response by clicking Clear Response. The benefits of using Speakeasy are numerous. It enables direct interaction with the Gemini AI, provides customizable responses, supports accessibility through speech input and text-to-speech, and allows for efficient information handling. That's it for our tutorial on Whizk Workspace and Speakeasy. We hope you enjoyed this demo and found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.